A course in sports journalism from Delhi University. That's several years ago, at least about 25 years ago. The rules of journalism are the same. What Sir was elucidating was very right. But I don't think the job of a sports journalist is limited only to covering the sports itself, but the larger framework in which sports happens. That is very important. In fact, even today, with so many schools not having playgrounds, the living areas where we are residing not having the spaces for children to be able to play and discover themselves, and children having been restricted into homes, that is a very important issue I think that we need to tackle. And the mindset of parents, very good that we have a Sania Mirza here, we have a Saina Nehwal here, we have a Sindhu here, and because of them, the kind of culture that's come in, I saw immediately there was such a spurt in the number of children who are wanting to be getting into that sport and full time. In fact, whether it's a Koneru Hampi who was doing chess, all those people have been icons, and luckily for us, we have had those icons who were able to create that. But the issue is for us, I think, as concerned as journalists, is that sports is something certainly contributes to holistic development of personality. It's not just one individual pursuit of excellence. It brings in so many things along with it that it is very important for us to all not neglect sport, not just as an area for us to cover in journalism, and very important that we also look at the policies which the government has in the context of being able to encourage sport. And that is something that, again, I think every time some big sporting event happens, we wake up to the idea of what kind of infrastructure we have and what respect we have for it and how much we think it is important in our lives. Unfortunately, very underreported that aspect of sport, but I think increasingly, whether I should say thanks to the big scandals that have happened in sport, that has also right now got attention. But sports as a career, I remember my husband also happens to be a journalist, and he is a very someone who is very passionate about sport, in fact, and wanted to be a sports journalist. We as journalists tend to be generalists most of the time. Maybe IAS officers also wear the same cap, that we cover from politics to glamour to the field of sport. But that's something that uniformly excites everyone and uniformly brings in that enthusiasm and that thing. But to be able to apply the same principles, which Sir was very clearly mentioning about being able to engage our audiences, to be able to bring that enthusiasm and participation in whatever the sport, and also being able to reflect on what really needs to be done in the larger context, so that we become a sports loving country, not just of a few icons, but of being able to play sport for the sake of enjoying sport and for what it gives to us in our life, to improve our personalities, to improve our life and improve our outlook towards life. I think that is the bottom line for me, and that's why I think sports is very important. While we need the stars to be able to give that inspiration, I think as a sporting culture we need in the country, in our lives, so that we are more happy individuals, more healthy individuals. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Many congratulations to you for making all this happen and being an encouragement to several youngsters as well. Thank you.